Hi, I'm Michael and I run Nissan Secrets. So I've been fascinated by Nissan for as long as I can remember, but not because of the marketing or the showroom talk. What actually grabbed me were the stories hiding underneath all of it. The engines that became legends and the ones that actually became nightmares. The cars everyone wanted and the ones that nobody actually talks about anymore. Why some Nissans will happily run forever while others can empty your wallet before you've even finished your first tank of fuel, and how a company that built icons like the Skyline GTR, Silvia and Z, well, they managed to reinvent themselves over and over again. That's the side of Nissan that I love exploring. I started making these videos because most Nissan content falls into two extremes. It's either nothing but horsepower figures and drag races, or it's buried deep inside forum posts that take hours to piece together. Because once you start digging, you realize there's so much more to these cars than just the badge that's on the bonnet, right? And while you're here, I wanted to mention something. I created the Nissan Secrets Vault for fellow enthusiasts, where you'll find detailed buyers' dossiers, you'll find the hidden issues to look out for, the dealer tips, printable inspection checklists, and in-depth guides that are covering the history, the engineering, and lesser-known stories behind Nissan's greatest cars. If that does sound interesting for you, you'll find everything linked in the description and also in the pinned comments below. No pressure, it's simply there if you want to dive in even deeper. So what started as just a few videos has grown into something deeper that I never expected. It's become a community of people who genuinely enjoy learning about these cars, sharing the knowledge, helping each other out, and keeping Nissan's incredible history alive. And honestly, that's the best part of all of this. So that's my story. That's why I make these videos. I genuinely enjoy every minute of it, and I'm grateful that you're here watching. So thank you for being part of the journey.